Check in, early morning check, early morning check, early morning check. Fly up this thing here. Yeah, I pull the door them already, man. Pull the door them from morning. Alright. Boom, bang, bang, bang. Today is Sunday, you know. Yeah, so I don't know it's Sunday thing go. Yes, so now. Oh, me get some parts, you know. Well, not really some parts. Me get something what me need for this. I notice the expander not have no screw up bracket pan it. Yeah. Me kinda use some tape. I can see tape through this or something. You see it green looking tape that me use and tape on the drive rack. Just hold in place while me do what me do. But get the bracket them now. So me go see if me can put on the bracket them pan it. Right now. Alright. Show now me put on here, so me tape up here and put on. That's how I tape it up and put it on. Let me get rid of them tape here. Eraser now. Eraser I want to change, you know, but me only change the eraser when me I go wrap box. That's the only time when me change. Me have new razor. That's the only time when me change the razor. When me I go wrap box, because that razor ain't good enough for strip wire. Alright. So this side now. No bracket. Fit on the bracket them from here, so. Hope so they can work. Pull them screw here. Suppose it can work. Pull them screw here. Focus. Camera not focus, you know. Too near. So, I'm going to pull them two screw here. And put on this. I don't know what thing go. Just like that. Expander band bracket. Ha. Yeah, but that's just one side still. We do the same thing to the next side. And then we're good. Right hand video. And left hand hold the camera. Left hand do your work. Right hand hold the camera. Left hand I do this, you know. Why? Thing shot. I'm glad I do this because me like when time I subscribe and then see everything. So I don't know say it's easy to put on them bracket here. Just two little screw on each side. Just like that. Done. Firm. Up and running. No more nana bracket. No more expander drop down. Good like gold. Alright, so results I know. Results. Watch this. See it? Oh, me put the expander down to the corner, you know, because it did in Amigo before. Put the expander down to the corner here because the way how the car body shape under here, so the mega higher than the edges. Because it go over, it kind of have one round half circle shape. So the mega come up high behind the equipment them, and then the edge then go down lower. So the expander alright over the side, I have more space. This, I'm going to take off this, people. Yeah, I'm going to take off this. I'm not going to work with it. I'm not going to work with this. I'm going to take off it. Alright. That out of the way. You have to look whole heap time better with that out of the way too, you know. Because I look pan right, all right, so I have an idea for right, so. Right away, I have an idea for this, so. I go look pan some things, some other things now and see what can go on. See what can go on. Normal. Alright, check it. Yeah. See there? Whole heap time closer, you know. Whole heap time closer. Up here, I have one little space still, but in the part there at least, when I screw up it, we get tight. Because I not screw up right now. See it? You see it there? Look on them edge. On them cut there. And a little circle I saw me and use and I go on. So I go on with myself. I go on with myself. Normal. Alright. Over here, so. Side piece, I know, you know. I forgot cut side piece. Side piece. I forgot one little curve right there, so. For go down, so. Go down another part there. Come up. Go on. Follow here, so go so. Go there, so. Why? Alright. I forgot to work some magic with my saw again. Be a magic, me have to work with saw, you know, man. But I try go on one way. I try go on one way. Because we have to do the thing, you know. Yeah, you have to do something before something do you. Nah, man. Keen people, watch out now. Yo, me tap a pass with the work, you know. Different operation me depend. Take out and radar out of this. Radar the summer about the place. Sit under this. Factory radar. And that's a foolishness. That concord every minute and a stuck. So we are putting in the radar here. Reverse camera and everything. But they make the radar nice, you know. I don't even know which brand this. I'm sorry, I don't know which brand. Because I want to tell you now which brand, you know, because the radar is nice, you know. Because watch how this radar going. You come with the plug on, you know. So you just plug off that off the next radar and just plug it on pan this and it's good. I connect up the reverse camera now. This is for your reverse camera. I don't know, so one current I forgot to this. That are this. You mark back pan, you see there? So that a red wire go to this. Then me have to run the whole of this wire here. See it here? Go all the way around to the chunk. One license plate camera we I go use. But me I go show you it when I put it on. One license plate camera we I use. Me show you when I put it on it. So me I install the radio now. Connect the one wire here. Tape up here. Fit up that dashboard and then we move to round this. Nah, man. Alright, see radio up and running now. Turn down that. A radio station in the pan, you know. Are this station here? What? Can't station. I don't want to put it on the copyright nothing, you know. 90 something. 90 something, me I put it on. Let me see. Put your 100 and something. Oh, we can't find IRA FM. IRA FM, me I put it on. IRA FM. You really not pick up good. No. Yeah. IRA FM. Yeah. Alright, watch me now. We are run them wire here, sir. This is a wire. Get up off of this. This is a wire here for run. So wire run underneath the whole of the floor in here. So me take off them cover here, so. We are running under here, so. Follow a wire loom. All the way around here, so. Follow the next loom here. Under this. And it have to go up. It have to go up in this. Yes, sir. From here, sir. Go up. Come up through here, sir. Go through this. See how far it travel? Through this. Through all of that. Come round here, sir. And come out here, sir. So no know what if I pull up that. This have to take off. All of that have to pull up. Bang, bang, bang. Alright. Camera install round here, sir. Put in a reverse, let me see what I go on. We are compete on the radar right now. Put in a reverse. Alright, see it there? Can't see all of me here. Take you out of reverse. Yeah, going back to the radar. Reverse again. Yeah, we're good. Alright, don't take you out yet. I want to see the light on the trunk. Alright, see it there? The camera itself light up, you know. Alright, you're good. Go on the road. Look more. So that one more job complete. Back to this right now. Back to this right now. Bye. Forward first. I'm a little subscriber driving. I'm a little subscriber drive. Man, tell you watch all of the video them. And that me I tell you, man, thing shot. Hey man, I drive a tender age. Right now, I'm not thinking sit down in the car. I must stand up, he's supposed to stand up. But the man a drive. And it, as they say license, he ready for your license. Because I drive good as a little youth. Alright, back to work, people. A whole heap of things distract me from the work on the car today, you know. First me tap and I fix reverse camera, install reverse camera, all kind of something. Then me tap for my subscriber, then come check me. Two little youth, my subscriber them. Yeah, big up themselves. Big up themselves, you know. Drive come check me. Why? Proud of him, you know. Proud of two of them, you know. Alright. Round here, so. These are the Amstrack people. Yeah, I Amstrack me a line up. Line up with everything I go. These are the settings. Watch what I go on this now. BS amps, BS on our Twitter. I think this are Twitter. I don't remember. This are on. But one of them are on and one are Twitter. Never tried that amps before. Me anxious to try. Never tried this before. Anxious to try. These are high mid. The low mid amps now I go right there, so. But the low mid amps they are town over one of my friend named Willow. Yeah, Willow do and Mats him a fix it. So 2 charger, one this or one so. And BS, tweeter, and high mid, low mid I go yaso. So Amtrak ready. The inverter now. Inverter people. Watch out now. The inverter. Me not fully decide what I want to do yet. But I put the inverter here so. Because inverter is not something you need to see. You just need to have access to the switcher. If you switch off it. When you not use it. Because the plug them are going in them part. You just need access to the switcher. But me still not fully decide on here so yet. I think about in the corner they down this too. Where you can stretch your hand from the front here so and turn on the switch through a hole or so. I think about that. Or maybe me use that so maybe not. Maybe I don't know yet. I not fully decide. But when I start cut out the hole, because I go cut out some hole under them so that the amp can breathe. Yeah, and I go try to install the 2 fan them I have underneath to blow up some cool air. Send some cool air up in our system and make it pitch out through the front. So we have them the little thing there for do. So that's what we do right now. Get some things together. Normal, you know? Check in, watch out now. I did feel I do a Sunday live today, you know, but I don't do no Sunday live today, I work. Yeah, I work. I upload the video right now. Even though I never really finish when I video, I upload the video, yeah. Because I work. I work. So, when you watch the video, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. I hope you like the video. I will have a different mix up sitting tonight. I hope you like it. If you don't subscribe to the channel. I go on work. I put in them amps here. I cut up the amps so I can do something. I video everything when I do. But you're going to see it in the next video. I go upload the video now so you can have something to watch Sunday evening. I start editing right now. And send it off. Good. Normal. Who said normal? Ha ha ha.